Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So this video is the start of a brand new series here on my channel, which will be called the Ultimate Study Abroad Packing Essentials. I got a lot of requests to film a study abroad packing video, but oh my god guys, I have so much to share with you, which is why I decided to split it up in different categories. And today we are going to start with my top 5 travel essentials for study abroad. Make sure to check out the description box below as I have my kit.com shop link there. I just recently got it and it's actually super cool because you are able to check out all of the products and things that I'm talking about in those essential videos, to see more reviews and more details of the product, a few images, so that you can decide whether you want to get them as well. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so my first travel essential is a pretty obvious one, and that is a big suitcase. So the first time I went to study abroad, the first time I came to Scotland, I had one bigger suitcase and one medium-sized suitcase. Today I'm sharing with you my big suitcase, which I'm taking all the time. That is my suitcase! Yeah, so I will share with you some close-up shots, but basically my big suitcase is from Travel-Lite, and it's this hardcover suitcase. And I honestly adore it so much. I really like how it looks, first of all. It's really light, and what was an essential for me is that it had 4 rolls, because when your suitcase is very heavy, it is so much easier to just have it like this, right? And roll it rather than tilting it, and it's super heavy, super stable. I love the suitcase and I really recommend it. So you definitely want to get a good suitcase. My second travel essential is actually also a suitcase, and it is a smaller one. So what I would recommend you when you go to study abroad, you take a big suitcase for your check-in luggage, and then you take a small suitcase for your carry-on luggage. Why? Because on study abroad you're very likely to go on weekend trips. It also has 4 rolls, which makes it super easy to carry. It's really light, it looks nice, and it also has a TSA lock. My other one has a TSA lock as well, so make sure to look at that, because people at the border controls, they sometimes have to open your suitcase, so it's important that you have that kind of lock. So that is my travel essential for study abroad number 2. My third travel essential is a backpack. So I'm a big believer in backpacks, and I only travel with backpacks. I never travel with a pouch, like a bag that you put over your shoulder. Why? Because I think that's just super annoying, and it gets really heavy and your shoulder hurts. That is why I prefer a backpack. And I also prefer a backpack because you have your hands free. I really like it because it has that pouch right here. So here I usually put in my pouch, which I will show you in the next bit. My pouch with my travel tickets, my passport, I put in my my wallet, and it also has that little thingy right here, that little zip. Wait, let me close that. Has that little zip right here, which is also perfect because here I always put headphones, tissues, and my phone. And then in the bigger thing you have one big department, but you have a laptop thingy right here. So I always put my laptop in here, so I have it all nice and organized. So my fourth travel essential, a neck cushion. I just recently got it. I can't believe that I didn't get it before, but oh my lord guys, this is a lifesaver. And I was always looking for one that is soft but that has memory foam, because I didn't like the one with the little pearls. I thought it didn't feel as nice. When you are a student, when you don't have much money, you are likely to be a lot on buses and wait a lot around. So what I do is I put it like this, right? I put it like this. You don't have to worry about like my head being like this and then you wake up because it's horrible. And also, oh my gosh, get one that has like a little clip right here, because then you can put it right here and you don't have to worry about it like being annoying and you having to carry it when you are on the at the airport. Okay, and my last travel essential for study abroad that I think each and every one of you should get is a little pouch. So that is actually an idea my mom had, but it turned out to be, oh my god, so good, because I really like having all my important documents right with me and I know where they are. So I'm talking my passport and my boarding pass. Oh yeah, they're actually still in here. So here I have my passport in this really cute Cath Kidston passport holder. And what I always do, I like print out my boarding pass and I put it into my passport and I know where it is. It's protected if anything like leaks, because oh my gosh, let me tell you, my water bottle has leaked a million times and it's always good to have your passport protected, because obviously you need your passport, right? Especially when you're abroad. Okay everybody, so those were my 5 travel essentials for study abroad. I know those were really basic essentials, but I am a believer in less is more and in having really good quality pieces rather than a lot of like things you don't really need. So I think those are the essentials, and if you have them, you are perfect to go. Don't forget to check out my kit.com shop in the description box to look at more details and on other reviews on those products. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you very soon. Bye!